There are about 3000 species are there which belong to tunicates. What are their characteristics? First is habitat. They are usually marine and are sedentary in nature. Size, their size vary from 0.25 mm to 250 mm, but largest tunicate, sea tulip, it can grow up to 1 meter. Colors, they vary, they have variety of colors, but they are mostly of gray or green color. Body form, they are solitary, for example Hardmania, or colonial, for example Pyranosoma. Body covering, they are covered by exoskeleton called as test. It is formed from tunicin chemical C6H10O5. C6H10O5. This tunicin is very similar to cellulose. That's why Hardmania is called tunicate. And one more example is there, Oikopleura. Oikopleura is covered with a gelatin-like material. Now body appendages, they do not have any paired or unpaired appendages except Oikopleura. It have tail fin in its larval stage. These organisms possess two type of aperture, branchial aperture and atrial aperture, from which water enter and exit. Coelom, they are acoelomate, means there is no coelom is present in their body, but one cavity is there called as atrium. Atrium is called as pericardial cavity. Atrium, in this atrium, gill slit, anus, genital duct open. In atrium, gill slit, three things, gill slit, anus and genital duct, it open, and this atrium is opened into atrial siphon through atriopore. Through atriopore, all the material that go outside the body through atrial siphon. But this atrium, this body cavity, pericardial cavity, is absent in appendiculans. Next is atrium. It is lined with ectoderm. Atrium is lined with pharynx, and this next is notochord. Notochord, they are present in only in larval stage in their tail region, but they are absent in adult because adult undergo this larval undergo retrogressive metamorphosis, in which all the advanced character get disintegrated. For example, notochord that is present in the larval stage is absent in adult stage. So adult body is very much simple as compared to complex larval stage. Next is pharynx. Pharynx is having two or many pairs of gill slit. Endostyle is present. This endostyle is organ that developed into thyroid gland in higher organism during evolution process. This endostyle forms thyroid gland in higher organism. Next is respiration. It is carried out through gill slits and test its body covering. It also help in respiration. Now nerve cord, dorsal tubular nerve cord is present in larval stage, but due to retrogressive metamorphosis, it get disintegrate into very simple small ganglions. Ganglions means group of nerves in adult one. Blood vascular system is open type. Blood vascular system is lacunar type, means open type, and one heart is present below the gut. The important thing is that blood flow in periodic reversal, means the direction of the blood flow, it changes after a certain period of time. Heart is having free floating valve. The heart is a neurogenic, and it acts as both systemic and as well as branchial heart. The important thing is that blood have some corpuscle, but blood is without any respiratory pigment, and some blood corpuscle are there, and out of that blood corpuscle, one type of blood corpuscle is vanadocytes. Vanadocytes are special cell which concentrate vanadium from seawater in its body. This vanadocyte may have 10 million times of vanadium and this vanadium is stored in the outer test of the organism. It store vanadium so that it can get protection from the predator. Now excretory system. Excretory structures are either nephrocytes or a pyloric gland, which is an intestinal outgrowth, or neural gland below the nerve ganglion. These act as excretory system. Now reproductive system. Sex are generally bisexual, mean hermaphrodite. The organism possess single organism possessed ovary and testes both, but they show cross fertilization. Why they show cross fertilization? Because some are protogynous, for example Herdmania, in which female part grow earlier than male part, or they may be protoandrous, for example Pyranosoma, in which male part get mature earlier than the female part. Some are unisexual, means dioecious, male female are separate in salpa and doliolum. Fertilization is always external. Cleavage is holoblastic. Holoblastic means equal cleavage is there, equal and complete cleavage is there. Larva development is indirect because a tadpole like larva is formed. The special thing is that larva is having the all the developed character. For example, they have a notochord in their tail, they have a dorsal central nervous system, gill slits are present, but when they form the adult one, they undergo retrogressive metamorphosis, in which all the important character, all the advanced character get disintegrated, and the adult which is formed will not have any special character, and its body organization is very simple. Now body temperature, they are pyokilothms, means they are cold-blooded animal. Economic importance, they have medicinal importance. Some tunicates, they are used against cancer, or they are used as antiviral. These urochordata are also used as food in Japan and Korea like countries. And their tunic means their body covering, their test is also used as a biofuel. So